Did you know it would be this difficult to get new tenants when you got into property management? Many don't, especially given how significantly the business has changed with the advent of new technology. But as the tide continues changing in the property management business, new opportunities continue washing ashore. One of the most important for you to take advantage of is digital marketing. In this video, I'm going to tell you why digital marketing is so beneficial to property managers and share 10 tips you can use to start using it more effectively. First things first, what is digital marketing and why do property managers use it? Put simply, digital marketing is about connecting with potential future tenants on their digital devices, including phones, computers, and tablets. You can connect with your target audience through these devices with videos, photos, social media posts, and paid ads, among other things. Here are 3 reasons why it's worth doing. First, digital marketing helps property managers penetrate new markets. You can access younger, more diverse audiences through this type of marketing and will thereby increase your chances of finding the right tenants. Another benefit of digital marketing is that it's typically more affordable than traditional marketing strategies. You can create and share social media posts for free, but even if you want to do paid ads, those are almost always going to be more affordable than advertising over TV, radio, or print ads. And the last major benefit I want to cover is that digital marketing helps you measure your results more effectively. You can really drill down into the data to discover what works for your company and what doesn't in a way that traditional marketing can't match. So to sum it up, you should use digital marketing because it will help you reach more people for less money while measuring your results more accurately. Sounds pretty good, right? But once you've decided to commit to digital marketing, it can be difficult to come up with the right strategies. That's why the next thing we're going to be covering is 10 property management digital marketing ideas to get you started with this journey. A good first step to start with is by focusing on search engine optimization. Now, this essentially means getting your property listings and websites ranked higher when people search for units in your area. Now, there are a few ways to do this, including paying for placement in Google results. But perhaps the most common form of SEO is creating content that references the same keywords people type in Google. And that leads us to our next idea. Now, content marketing and SEO go hand in hand. This is a style of marketing that involves creating content that's relevant to your target audience's interests, with the main goal of taking them from that content and converting them into paying customers. For example, you could create a blog post that talks about the rental property market in your area. People interested in that will likely be looking for apartments in that area to begin with, so they would click on the blog post, read it, and then realize they could use your company to find a place to live. Content marketing is also done through videos and photos across major social media platforms, especially YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, just like the video you're watching right now. This strategy is a great way to enhance your SEO results while forming new relationships with potential clients. Next up, your website is another fantastic resource for finding new tenants. People looking for apartments in your area may visit your site to see what's available. It's important for them to have a good experience on your site when they do this, because otherwise they'll leave it and go somewhere else. That's why part of a strong digital marketing strategy is optimizing your property management website. Think of this like your digital storefront. It needs to be an attractive and inviting place to be, or else people won't want to spend much time there. It's also a good idea to start building out your social media profiles. Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube are especially good for this because they allow you to share videos and photos with potential tenants, which may help you catch the eye of future clients even more effectively. Most people that are interested in leasing an apartment from you will look for photos, videos, and information online before submitting an application. Social media is an amazing opportunity to present the information that you want in the best way possible to increase your chances of conversion. Next up, it's also important to think about the user experience when building out a website for digital marketing. This means each of the following: building a site that's easy to navigate, creating a website with good aesthetics, creating a mobile-friendly website, eliminating unprofessional errors from your site, such as an obvious typo or broken links, and more. This is considered a type of marketing because websites that are easy to use tend to perform better, so it's definitely something you need to think about as you build your strategy. Next up on our list is forming partnerships with local businesses. This is a great way to put the word out in your local community, and you may also benefit from the positive perceptions that future tenants may already have about those businesses. For example, let's say a potential tenant loves their local gym, but hates paying for the membership. You could try forming a relationship with that gym that gives residents of your property a discounted membership. Now sure, this is something that you'd have to pay for, but it could help you attract a ton of new tenants, and your property is going to be thought of positively because those people already love the gym that they attend, and now you'll be associated with it. Another idea that you may want to try while building a digital marketing strategy is analyzing what the competition does. How did the most successful properties in your area attract new tenants? And what are their strategies? Not only will this help you identify potential strategies for your company, but it can also help you differentiate yourself from the competition by giving you ideas of what you can do better. The next item on the list is working on building your online reputation. This means getting good reviews from current and previous tenants, as well as conducting yourself professionally in public online forums like your Google reviews page. One way to start getting better online rankings is to offer incentives for current tenants who leave one. This could be as simple as a small gift card or a slight reduction in rent. Remember, people use online rankings every day to determine what products they buy and brands that they trust. And the better your rankings are, the easier it will be to convert your potential tenants when they show an interest in your property. Another great idea is to start hosting and attending local events for property managers. This is a great way to network with other professionals in your industry and learn more about how other people are attracting tenants. And who knows, you may even form a professional partnership with someone you meet. Now we've got one more item on our list, but if you've enjoyed the video so far, make sure to like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you content just like this. And without further ado, the last item on our list is paid digital marketing. This involves paying a certain amount to have ads shown on Google results page and social media platforms, among other resources. Paid marketing will get a lot more people looking at your property management company, but at a price. It's best used in combination with other methods we've talked about throughout this video. As your digital marketing strategy improves and your results get better, you'll start generating more traffic for free. At that point, you can begin transitioning away from paid marketing campaigns. Digital marketing is a powerful way to connect with future tenants, and I hope this video provided some good tips to help you get started. If you need help managing all the new tenants that you find, consider signing up for a free demo of DoorLoop, our all-in-one property management solution that automates key processes and takes care of the hard work of managing your properties. And it can also help you with the listings as well. With all that said, thanks for watching. Check out some more videos on our channel for more property management tips, and we'll see you soon.